Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can mention someone on TikTok bio. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and then log into your account and go to your profile. And whenever you comes in your profile, you have to simply click on the edit button beside your name of your TikTok account. So you'll see over here edit button. Click on that and then click on bio, and then whenever you click on this bio typing graph, you will see over here or up of your keyboard, you will see mention, or as you can see, click on your keyboard and go to match and like 1 2 3 button. So you have to see over here, click on over here return, or then click over here and then type the username that you wanna add over here. Like this, I want to add that person which comes on my first mention. You can see over here, as you can see, and then click on save, and this person will be added to your account bio. So as you refresh it, you will see over here. So whenever you click on that at the rate mentioned below, and you will comes on that person's page, and that's it. That's how you can mention someone in your bio. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.